For today's video I will show you how to use Lista PH. You can use the app for tracking your weekly income, monthly income and yearly income. Hindi Lang Yan. You can use the other feature of Lista PH Philippines. Click Lista Insights. See the income and expenses. Tracking income and expenses is a little bit fun. You can change the from weekly, monthly, yearly on your Lista PH app. Click Transaction on the red arrow. You see how much money in and money out on a daily basis. Click Add button. Click Money In. Put the exact income amount. Choose what income category such as allowance, extra income, fund transfer, government, insurance, pension, remittance, salary, stocks, crypto investments and others. On the note you can write where the money come from, put specifically. Then put the exact date and time money earn or money in. Choose a payment method or what wallet used to send and receive the money. Then put the name of specific wallet or bank. On the Money Out button, put the exact amount money out or expenses. On the expenses category there are different expense type or categories such as baby stuff, bills, business expenses, cable, car, courier and delivery service, credit card payments, educational, electricity, events, gaming and top-ups, gas, Grab, groceries, hobbies, home, insurance, internet, laundry, loan payment, medical, mobile postpaid, mobile prepaid, online shopping, payment, remittance, rent, self-care, shopping and entertainment, staff salary, subscriptions, supplier, tax, transportation, travel, water utility bill, and others. On the Marketplace button you can see the different types of card on different banks, such as Union Bank U Visa Platinum. You can click the Apply button, the Union Bank U Visa Platinum. The second card is the Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum. The third credit card is RCBC Classic MasterCard. The fourth credit card is RCBC Flex Visa. The fifth credit card is Salmon Virtual Card. The sixth credit card is RCBC Gold JCB. The seventh credit card is RCBC Flex Gold Visa. The eighth credit card is RCBC JCB. The ninth credit card is RCBC Gold MasterCard. The 10th credit card is Union Bank Cashback Visa Platinum. The 11th credit card is Union Bank Shell Power Card. The 12th credit card is Union Bank Mercury Drug Visa. In the loan button there is a one personal loan bank available called personal loan personal loan. You can use it for personal loan. In the insurance button you will see the different insurance card. You will see the health insurance cards such as MaxiCare E-Ready Advanced Titanium, MaxiCare Prima Gold, MaxiCare Prima Silver, MaxiCare E-Ready Titanium, MaxiCare E-Ready Platinum, MaxiCare E-Ready Advanced Platinum. But there's more feature you can use it after you install the Lista PH app. You will see and use it. Thanks for watching and supporting. Don't forget to like, follow and share your comment.